everyone! Hi! How are you all doing today? I'm so happy to see you here with me again for another super fun art video. Have you ever played on a slide before? You know, that super fun thing you climb up and then, whee, you slide down. Slides are so much fun, right? Well, guess what? Today, we're going to draw one together. But before we start, don't forget, I'd love to see your amazing drawings too. Send them to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. The links are all in the description below. If you need help, ask a parent or older sibling to send it for you. Make sure to stay with me till the end because the coloring part is going to be so fun and full of surprises. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you won't miss anything fun we draw next. Let's get started! Yay! Woohoo! Coloring time! Let's add some colors and see how awesome it's gonna look. Liked it so far? Make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. And we're all done! Yep, our drawing turned out so cute, don't you think? I had so much fun drawing and coloring with you today. Hey, don't forget to send me your amazing drawings. You can email them or send them on Instagram or Facebook. All the links are down in the description. I can't wait to see what you've made. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you won't miss our next fun drawing. See you soon, little artists. Bye!